Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian, and today we are live in hell. Just kidding. Hi guys, how are you? Happy Saturday. Last Saturday, Nick was on my channel. Do you remember? The cameraman, the secret cameraman. And a lot of you guys were really enjoyed his company. So this is now Nick's YouTube channel, apparently not mine, which is fine. But I thought maybe we could have Nick here again.
Hi guys.
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry. Hi, go.
Hello.
So Nick is here. He's a great cameraman, and I thought maybe Nick could pick out the makeup I put on.
Oh.
Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah.
I opened a PR package from Melt Cosmetics. A moment of appreciation for this PR packaging, because look at how gorgeous. Is that not beautiful? What the hell? Yep, this is gonna go on the wall or something. It's stunning. They sent over their new eyeshadow palettes, which are also beautiful. The packaging. Oh shit, sorry. This one's called Vita. I'm gonna embarrass myself with this one. Muerte? Wow. That's beautiful. This kind of matches the background and everything, huh?
A little bit.
Okay, very talkative today, Nick. And then this one, I'm assuming is probably gonna be darker. Ooh. Okay, Nick, so which palette do you think we should use? This one?
The first one you showed.
Good choice. This one's pretty too, but I feel like I've been doing a lot of blue and green looks anyways, so good call, Nick. I'm out of breath from sitting here. Don't be shy. You could be mean and pick the ugliest colors you wanted. Yeah.
See, I was gonna be nice and not do that.
No. Give me a challenge.
Okay.
I want a good challenge. I'm putting on my foundation as eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna start with my eyes first, just in case this is a mess. Then it's I could wipe it off. Perf. Let's start with the lid color.
Okay.
Tell me what I should put on my lid. Any colors, it could be 1, 2, 3 colors, it could be one color.
So that sparkly green one on the far left is really good. Yeah, that stands
Okay.
out. Okay. And then, yeah, I'm sticking with that orange.
You like that, huh?
Yeah.
Do you wanna add a third color?
Can we go with that vibrant red?
That one.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Wow, we're gonna look great. So I'm taking a blending brush and I'm gonna use Soul, which is the orange shade. This is gonna be my crease color, so I'm gonna place this right in here.
Why are you choosing that one for your crease?
Because it's lighter than the rest and a nice transition, so it fades from dark to light.
So do you usually put the light stuff on your crease?
Not necessarily. Sometimes I'll do darker colors in the crease. I'll probably do the red in the crease too. I should do your makeup.
Oh.
I mean, we don't have to, but that would be fun. We match the flames. I love that. Okay, so I'm using a flat brush and I'm dipping it into this red shade. Okay, this I'm gonna place on my outer lid. Ooh.
So why do you use a flat brush for that?
Just to pat it and build more color.
I tried to paint my face into a skull for Halloween.
Oh, cool.
And it is so hard. I was using makeup brushes, and to do the left side of my face with my right hand was
Yeah.
something I would have never.
One side of your face will look good, and then the other side is a struggle.
Right.
That happens for sure. Do you have pictures? Did it come out good?
No, not really. It was really bad. No pictures.
Looks great. And now I'm gonna blend. So, small brush, small crease brush to Blenderella. Do you feel like you've gotten an influx of robocalls?
Oh my, yes. I got
Insane amounts?
12 yesterday.
Yes!
I was screaming. It was mad. I was mad.
Eyes mad. Yeah, me too.
I can't speak.
What is going on?
I don't know. And I just ignore them. And
They don't stop.
yeah.
Sometimes they're random numbers and you're like, okay, cool, I'm not gonna answer. And then sometimes they'll fool you with your zip code.
I mean, area code?
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant. So you think it's your mom calling or something. So now I'm just blending and softening. So now I'm going to use this little brush. I don't have a concealer brush, so if I had a concealer brush, I'd be using that, but I'm using this one. I got it at the swap meet for $1. And I'm just gonna,
gross.
the swap meet has good deals. And I'm going to attempt the cut crease thing that all the cool kids do on Instagram. Do you watch makeup videos at all?
No.
Okay.
I don't watch any of them.
Do you watch the ones you make?
Nope.
Yeah, you do. I see you post them on your stories. Yeah, you do. It's okay to be proud of your work.
How long does it take for you to do your makeup in the morning?
Well, it depends. Where am I going? 30 minutes for an everyday. Here, obviously, you see
Yeah, 4 or 5
4 hours. Yeah, and it looks like shit. And it's what did she do in those 4 hours? Time flies when you're having fun. Am I right? So, Nick, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to keep working with cameras. What about you? What do you want to be when you grow up?
Cool. I had a couple meltdowns this weekend. It was really fun. I love it. And I just like, cause what am I doing? I usually have these meltdowns like right before my birthday because it makes me reevaluate like what I'm doing and am I doing the right thing? Am I in the right place? I was just heavy in thought. How do I get answers?
Just like keep following what makes you happy, and then like this. Does this make you happy?
Yeah, I'm in flames. That's fucking cool. I mean, like, yeah. What'd you do this weekend?
I shot a music festival. Yeah, it was crazy. There's people like starting mosh pits and stuff. Like I was like, oh my god.
Have you ever been in a mosh pit?
It's just no. It's never appealed to me. How about you? Like,
yeah.
I feel like you have.
Oh yeah. It was so fun. And like, I would be so stupid. I would go into a mosh pit with full makeup, hair extensions, right? Stupid, because your hair extensions would get ripped out. I'd be missing an eyelash. I mean, no one's there to look pretty, so it was just a really stupid thing. But it was so fun.
Where's the green gonna go?
Shh, just trust the process, Nick. Okay. I don't know where the green's gonna go. I was actually gonna ask you to pick another color.
But that's the whole point of the video.
No, I'm gonna use the green still, but I want another color to go with the green.
I want to say the yellow, but that's like...
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's cool. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do that. So now I'm gonna go with this shade right here. I wipe my brush down that I used for the red. I'm using this shade now. So this will go right on the lid. Ooh. Cool. Oh, did you get Disney Plus?
Do you have Disney Plus?
Yeah, I got it.
What have you been watching?
Well, I haven't started yet, but I just like built, a playlist or whatever. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
What's on the list?
Oh man. Everything from like, you remember the Disney original movies?
Yes.
Yeah, it's all of those. Can of Worms, So Weird. That was a TV show, but still. My stepsister from like Planet Mars, I think it's called. Just a bunch of random ass movies. And like Lizzie McGuire, of course. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be very busy. I was gonna do the green on the outer part, but I wasn't liking it. So I'm gonna do the green like under here or in here. Don't be mad. I'm gonna use...
Where are these shades coming from? This isn't what I select.
How about this one?
Okay.
Cool. Wow, great pick, Nick. Overall, I like it, don't you? Like, it's pretty colors.
Well, I didn't pick it, so.
Yeah, you did. You picked everything else except for that. Did you ever work like a shitty retail job?
No, I was all customer service. I used to work at Baskin Robbins, and then from there I upgraded to Pinkberry.
You were a yogurt boy.
What about you? Did you work retail?
Oh yeah. One of my first jobs was Salvation Army. I had to sort the donations, and you would be surprised what people donate. I'm talking like dirty underwear. Like holy like people were gross and they would just donate it and I was just like go through it all. It was so nasty. And then after that I worked at a smoothie place thing out. Oh, picture people. I took pictures of kids.
You worked the camera?
Yeah. Okay, so I just got this, ColourPop sent a PR package and they sent this Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. It's called Pretty Fresh. Has hyaluronic acid in it, which is going to hydrate and plump the skin. I have really dry skin, so when I see hyaluronic acid, it makes me excited. So I'm just gonna place this on. Boom, boom, boom. It smells like coconut. Oh, it has coconut water in it. I read that too. Should I do my full face with just concealers or use a new foundation?
But I choose a concealer just.
Cool, let's do it. So ColourPop, they sent over their new concealers, and these ones are called Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. So I'm gonna do my full face with just concealer, which really isn't that hard. I need to find a color that matches first. Light 50W. This is gonna be like my foundation color. I have all this acne, it's so fun. So I'm gonna focus on those areas. And then I like scratched my neck in my sleep. What a weirdo. I woke up and I had like,
what
if it was? I know.
What if it's what is it? Ghost grandma?
Oh my God. I didn't even think about that. What if I didn't even do it? Fernando and Saint both snore. I love them, but goddamn, I cannot sleep. I'm going crazy. Woo! Saint, poor little Sainty, he has the worst gas. So the room stinks and like everyone's snoring and then I'm just laying there like, what do I do? Any tips? Dr. Phil said that in a relationship, you have to sleep together. That's the most important part in your relationship is going to bed together. I don't know why, and I don't believe he's even a doctor, but I believe him on that one. So now I'm gonna grab the medium dark 115W, and this will be my forehead color. So your forehead is closer to God, closer to Jesus. The sun kisses it first. So normally our forehead is a lot darker than the rest of our face, so you could always go like a couple shades darker on your forehead. Not too dark, you know what I'm saying? This concealer is nice though. It gives a really pretty luminosity, and it kind of looks like skin, like it has a skin-like finish. I'm liking it. This is my first time using it, BTW. So now we're gonna do shade Dark 158W, and this is gonna be the contour shade. Oops. I want a small nose.
Very symmetric.
So what's going on, Nick? Tell your fans what's up. Are you single? Are you looking? Did you want me to give out your information? A lot of people were asking about you, Nick.
I'm just living life.
Well, I'm saying, are you single or no? Not really?
Somewhat, yeah.
Okay. Are you actively looking or not?
No, I almost feel like if you're looking, like you don't really find what you're looking for.
Totally.
Like things usually come to you when you're
not looking.
Exactly.
I know.
I just moved right now, and that was so hard. I'm not gonna move for like another couple years because like that was absolute hell.
It's a bitch, right?
Yeah.
The last time I just sucked it up and I hired moving people. And let me tell you, that was the best. They were like, why are your boxes so heavy? And I was like, oh, lipsticks. I like it. I actually really like this as a foundation. I think it looks nice. Thanks, Nick. Good call.
You're welcome.
This is Coty Airspun powder. I haven't used this in years. It's just been sitting in my drawer, and I busted it out the other day, and I was like, I'm gonna use this. I know, call me adventurous. So, under here, it just smells like my grandma's house. No offense, Grandma. Love ya. But it's pretty. Whew. So this is the Benefit Brow Zing's Pro Palette. These are all powders, and then these are gels right here. So I'm gonna dip it and do it into this powder and fill them in. Not very exciting. I normally do my brows like before we start filming just because brows are my least favorite part of the face. They're just, What do you watch, like Netflix, or do you have TV?
Dude, I haven't watched any TV recently, okay? Because I've been like moving, and then I broke my TV during the move.
No way.
Really upset at myself.
Didn't you have like a big TV?
Yes, it was huge.
Didn't you get it just recently?
I know, yes, don't. What can I do about it now, though? Like, you know, I'm just gonna like...
Yeah, it's just a thing. You get another one.
Just deal with it. What about you?
Netflix has gotten kind of weird. Like their movies are so cheesy. I mean, I like it. Like I love a good cheesy movie. It just makes me, you know, roll my eyes. But it's just kind of weird that they're promoting them. Like really bad movies. Do you remember when they would mail you a DVD?
Mm-hmm. What about Redbox? Is that still a thing?
I just got one the other day. Okay, look. So now I'm going to use Hoola Light Bronzer by Benefit. Beep. I used to use all the time. Like, this is all I ever used. Jawline, cheekbone, forehead.
Do you still wear your lip piercing?
Yes.
I haven't seen it.
I know. I just keep forgetting to put it back in. I take it out at night because when I wear my mouth guard, it gets in the way. So I take it out at nighttime and then I just forget to put it back in. Okay, so Nick is single. So what do you want in a lady? What do you want in a lady? What do you want? Maybe she's out there. Maybe she's watching right now. Maybe she's watching. Oh my God, some people were commenting like, Bailey has a crush on him. And I was like, you guys. No, Nick, no. No. I don't mean that in a mean way. Like, I think I could say Nick is a very handsome young man. But, like, if I were single, Nick wouldn't be the person,
Okay.
But, like, you're good for ladies who like a polished man, because you're polished. You're clean.
Thank you.
I liked boys who, like, are just look like they've been through some shit. Don't want to see those comments down in the comment section. Oh, that I have a crush on you. Because it made me feel bad. Like, oh, I hope I'm not coming off disrespectful towards, like, Fernando, you know? Ooh, Bailey's flirting. I'm like, bitch, where? I asked you how your day was.
Where?
Should I put on blush?
I don't think so.
Okay, we're gonna do blush.
Okay, great.
So, because I have this NARS blush palette. Isn't it pretty? Pretty. So which color, Nick?
I don't know. I mean, I could throw you for a curveball and choose the darkest one.
Okay, look, so you just do little dib dabs, just very light, you know? And then you can make it work. Dib dabs. What's one of your biggest pet peeves?
When people don't say thank you, I always catch that. Especially if like you're doing something nice for them. Like, I don't know. I always say thank you. As far as the other ones, I don't know. I'm like very clean, so it's like somebody's dirty.
This right here. Do you want to have kids?
yes in general, but then also like I don't know if like I'm prepared for it, or even if this world is like, 'cause this world's like burning right now.
Totally. I think that's how a lot of people feel though.
The green doesn't look bad.
No, I think I like it like this. Like it's kind of cool.
No, yeah, that is.
Okay, so I put on a coat of mascara and some false eyelashes. These are the Ardell 3D Faux Mink. Oh, so this is MAC lip liner in Strip Down. Okay, so this is Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Bikini Babe. This is like my go-to. I wear this every single day. I don't know, I can't, it's just the perfect nude everyday color. So this is the final look. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you wanna wear it? Let me know down below. I think Nick did a great job picking colors. Good job, Nick, knowing your colors. Look, I'm gonna leave where you can find Nick down below, but if I hear any of you are being disrespectful towards Nick and sending inappropriate stuff, I will block you. No harassing Nick. Alrighty, so thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Have a good day, make good choices, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.